How to unlink your Rockstar Social Club's account with your Steam account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can unlink your Steam account with your Rockstar Social Club's account. Let's just get right into it. Go to your web browser and simply search for Rockstar's Social Club's account. Go to Rockstar Games, click on the link, and make sure that you're logged into your account. I'm already logged in here. Tap on the profile icon, then go to the Accounts dropdown and click on Settings. Once you land on the Settings page, you can find different tabs here. Just go ahead and tap on Linked Accounts, and you can find all of the linked accounts over here. Now, if you have any accounts linked here, you'll have the option to unlink. You'll see an unlink button just like this link button. Now, for some reason, if you don't see the linked accounts, you again go over to the top right corner on your profile, and this time go over to the help section. Now from here, go over to support. It's going to take you to the support page directly. Now scroll down and find this option, account linking. Go to this. Then it's going to take you directly over to another page. Now from here, you want to go over to the account support, click on view all. And if you don't see that here, just scroll down and you should find it somewhere down below. Then you can find this option to submit a request. Tap on it, then go ahead and tap on store. Select a reason. So I'll just do something related to the account section. So go to Rockstar account, and then from there you can go to account settings, linking and unlinking accounts. Basically describe your issue here. If you have additional support files like screenshots or video recordings, you can upload that here as well. Tap on submit ticket. They'll look into your issue and reach back out to you on your email. So just keep an eye out for that. You should be good to go. That's how you basically unlink an account on Rockstar Games. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.